Hi, we'll talk today about anxiety disorders, which will also include anxiety neurosis. And we'll talk about the prognosis of the treatment of anxiety disorder using homeopathy. My name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a director of Life Force Homeopathy, which treats patients from across the world for last over 3 decades. This video is intended for the benefit of patients in general, as well as for the homeopathic doctors and the students. Anxiety disorder or anxiety is very common, and in fact estimated 30% of the adults sometime or the other experience some form of anxiety. Well, every case of anxiety does not require treatment. We are more focusing on the treatment of those patients who have chronic anxiety. They have more recurring anxiety or anxiety all the time in terms of some form of anticipation, fear, apprehension, nervousness, restlessness, disturbed sleep, panic episodes, and so on. When they become very severe, very serious, then they may need treatment. What causes anxiety? Well, we have not fully understood that. However, there are factors such as chemical factors, drug-induced anxiety, circumstantial anxiety, genetic factors, external factors, physical factors, hormonal factors, and some more, dietary factors, and all these factors jointly could make one more anxious. What is the scope of homeopathy in the treatment of anxiety disorder? I would broadly categorize the scope of treatment as curable, partly curable, a supportive therapy, symptomatic relief, inability to reduce the drug dependency, or incurable. So the prognosis is in one of these categories. In case of anxiety neurosis, I would like to say that most cases of anxiety neurosis or anxiety disorders, they respond very well to homeopathy, especially the cases which approach homeopath or approach for the homeopathic treatment in the early stage. They respond extremely well to homeopathy. I would say 60 to 70% of the cases should do very well with homeopathy if they are not on heavy chemical-based drugs. The improvement is expected in most cases. Some cases who are on heavy medication for a long time, those patients who are on anti-anxiety medicines or antidepressant medicines or sleeping pills for more than 1 year, 2 years, 5 years or longer, they may not show adequate or desired improvement using homeopathic medicines. In those cases, the improvement could be in terms of an ability to reduce drug dependency to a certain extent and also to give you some symptomatic relief. Is homeopathy recommended for the treatment of anxiety disorders? Yes, homeopathy is very strongly recommended for most cases of anxiety disorder and anxiety related disorders. The duration of treatment, how long does one need the treatment with homeopathy for anxiety disorder? Well, I would say the duration will depend on various factors, and that may be in a couple of months to maybe a couple of years or longer. I cannot say exactly how much time is because it is not fixed in every case. So I hope this helps the patients and other professionals. Thank you so much.